Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I thought we'd pop up and have another little look around today because we've had some good progress. So I'll spin you around and you can see what we're dealing with as usual. Yes, it's been raining as always. So I'll try and stick on the high ground and get around without getting covered in mud if we can help it. So I popped up yesterday on the bike. I didn't do recording yesterday. I thought I'd let them crack on a bit and see how they were getting on. But we've had some of the frames put in for the windows and the doors, and also the hopefully I think they might have started the swimming pool finally, and also the electrics are ongoing. So let's go and have a look anyway. We'll get past all this mud and crap. Fed up with all this water, I've got to say. Oh, here we go, got a chicken again. So we've got Tom be chasing that out in a minute. Either that or it's going to be on the dinner plate later. He does like coming in, these chickens, for some reason. Wake up! So let's go and have a quick look. So we got plumbers here doing the outside toilet. They're fitting that at the moment. As usual, we've had a lot of rain here, so we've got some of the tiles up on the shower wall, so I can actually show you some of them. So we're just going to have just a cold shower out here, no heating on the shower at all. So that's what's going to be going there. Got an outdoor switch here, going to be for obviously a light that's going to go up there. Let's have a look, see how they're getting on with this. So looks like they've marked some of it out by the looks of it. Still got a lot of water in there. But they are getting ready to start it. So yeah, we've got some of the frames in. We've got an aluminium and white on the frames. It was either white or black, and I didn't really want black on the frames, if I'm honest with you. So we went for the white. As you can see, I got the frames up there as well. I'm not sure when the glass will be coming. I'm sure that'll be coming in the next few days. So we've got the window frame in there. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, window frame. So I think they got all the frames on by the looks of it. And we have a lot of the electric switches. I like these switches actually. Not our choice of switch, we didn't get a choice. But I quite like those. Yeah, they look pretty cool. They're quite flush, so I do like that. We've got the sockets in. I don't think anything is up and running yet. Oh, they've cut out for some of the lighting to go in the ceilings as well. Just going through and all of that. And they've cut all the lighting in here as well. More frames in here. And we've got the window frames in here as well. Like I said, all aluminium frames. And that'll have, that's obviously for, put your glass in there, lets us the beads. But yeah, looking good, looking good. So yeah, so drilled loads of holes up in the ceiling, by the looks of it. And they put the frame in on this one as well. This will have like just a sliding window on here. We've got the countertops done. So that's my little breakfast bar. So that one's pretty much sorted. There's a couple of edges on here we're not overly happy with. Don't know if you can see that. You know you're going to catch yourself on that. So it has been mentioned they're going to sort that out for us anyway. So yeah, they've cut them in up there. We've got the aircon units are all in and fitted as well. These two rooms we had to have pumps. We had to have condensate pumps. Oh, they haven't quite finished that one. But yeah, we had to have condensate pumps up on these. Basically because of how, you know, the position they are. We couldn't get the pipe out. We could have buried it in the wall, but it's not, wouldn't be that practical. They're only a single skin wall on the internals, so I didn't want that much strength taken out. But we've got air cons in all the rooms. Like I said before, I went for Daikin air conditioning units. The reason I went for these is I used to fit a lot of these units back in the UK, so I do know the Daikin units very well. They're not the cheapest, but at the end of the day, I'm after something which is going to last us, and I must admit Daikin seem to be one of the better, well, they are pretty much top of the range. We got another one up in here. Biggest unit is this one here. That's our biggest unit what we got just for this front room. So yeah, let's go and have a quick look outside. So it's definitely moving on. Like I said, we've got some more switches up on here. So they're quite nice. I quite like these switches. Very nice. Yeah, I like those. And then we've got our Thai kitchen counter out here. They put waterproof sockets on these outside. They'll be used, but not that often. So we've got a couple of waterproof ones on there. And they've run a cable down to there. Now, this socket here, this is another reason. This was mentioned many times before, but this socket here is supposed to be the other side because we're going to have we are going to have out here a fridge. So that socket should have been the other side, and we said about this from the start, but you know, this is where, like I said before, sometimes the communication gets a bit mixed up, and yeah. So whether I might get my core drill out or something, drilling all through the side or something, save messing about with it too much. Thing is, I don't want to alter it about too much because you know, you've got a finished surface here now, so you know, I don't want to go knocking this about too much if I can help it. But you know, it's one of them things. It's nothing major. So let's just have a quick look. So I finished all the tiling out here, and they got a bit more tiling to do in this area in here by the looks of it. Now, this space in here will be, not quite sure. I mean, we're obviously going to have the solar coming in very shortly. I haven't decided where I'm going to have it yet, whether I'm going to have it on this back wall here or whether I have it on that wall. I might just let them choose. I mean, we've got obviously a lot of cabling here which is going to link to the meter and go back in. So I'll leave it up to them, I think. But same again, we've got light switches in here. So yeah, this is coming on. Let's have a little look down the back, and we'll see what's going on. All right, okay. Right, so they've been digging out a bit more of this channel here, basically for drainage. What they sort of dug wasn't deep enough from the boss. He wasn't too happy with it, so they've got to dig a bit more out, and that's going to be filled with gravel. Obviously this is our drainage, which sits and goes all the way around the property, all these. So basically when it rains and once we have the guttering installed, it'll all go into here. It runs down. There's one pipe over into next doors, which next doors is actually Tam's mum's, so it goes off over there. And then we got another pipe just here, if you can see down there, and that one will basically get rid of a lot of the water as well. So let's go and have a quick look at the air cons. So we've got this unit here is for the bedroom 3. This small unit here is for the kitchen. Like I said, all Daikin units. This one here is for the front room. This one here is for bedroom 2. We've got more outside sockets here as well. I wanted a couple extra sockets on the outside just so as when I'm round here doing stuff, I can just you know, plug bits and pieces in. It's always handy to have a couple extra. So as you can see, I got all the windows in. But yeah, they've done quite a nice job with the aircon units anyway. So they've done tidy. And there's obviously another one down the bottom, which is our unit, but I won't go down and disturb them. So yeah, so just another quick post on this one, guys. I don't think I'm going to drag it out too much, but hopefully next time we come up, we might actually have a bit of electric on. You never know, with a bit of luck, and maybe some windows in. So it's all coming on. These are basically a lot of the lighting for different bits and pieces throughout the house. We've got outdoor lighting and, you know, more sockets and bits and pieces in there. So, but the electricians were here yesterday, but they're not here today. And obviously so that's about it for this one, guys. Thank you very, very much for tuning in and watching. We'll keep you posted on any further updates. Hopefully the house is going to start moving along a bit quicker now. I know we've got the guttering and stuff, which is all going to be fitted next week. So yeah, it's all coming along. It's looking positive. And I've just noticed something. So let's show you. I've just literally noticed this myself. I didn't look when we first come in. So if I just pop down here a little bit into the pool. I won't go too far because obviously it's still got a lot of water in, and spin you around. They've started tiling the pool, guys. Excellent. I know, you know, when they were saying that when they do start tiling the pool, then you know, that's sort of one of the, not the last jobs, but it's close to finishing. So yeah, so that's good news. Very exciting stuff. So there we go, guys. That's it for this one, and thank you very, very much, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helped the channel out. I'm still trying to pop my numbers up a bit more, and thank you all for all your great comments and you know, sticking with me through the journey of building the house. I will update you a bit more often, I think, lately, because things are changing quite quickly here. So we'll keep you updated on the post. So until the next one, guys, thank you very much for watching. Take it easy. I'll see you.